Zodiac and Constellation. Hi, I'm Poppy. Today we will discuss about Zodiac. So first let's find out what is Zodiac. As part of astrology, Zodiac is the belt-like region of the celestial sphere across the ecliptic path of the Sun over the course of a year. And do you know what is constellation? As part of astronomy, constellation is any of the 88 officially recognized regions of the sky, which includes the star system. Constellations help people to recognize stars in the sky and to keep track of the calendar. So now let's learn more about the 12 zodiac signs. First we have is Aries. People born between the 21st of March to the 19th of April have Aries as their sun sign. Aries is represented by the ram, and it is a cardinal fire sign. As you can see in this picture, this is the symbol of Aries. With Mars as its ruling planet, Aries are fierce, courageous, determined, optimistic, passionate, and honest. This is how the zodiac constellation of Aries looks like. Moving on to the next zodiac sign, we have Taurus. Taurus is the sun sign of people who are born between the 20th of April to the 20th of May. Taurus is represented by the bull, and it is a fixed earth sign. This is a symbol of Taurus. With Venus as its ruling planet, Taurus are reliable, patient, responsible, stable, practical, and devoted. This is the zodiac constellation of Taurus. The next zodiac on the list is Gemini. People born between the 21st of May to the 21st of June have Gemini as their sun sign. This zodiac is represented by the twins. Gemini is a mutable air sign, and this is how its symbol looks like. With Mercury as its ruling planet, Gemini are charismatic, inquisitive, determined, gentle, affectionate, and adaptable. This is the zodiac constellation of Gemini. Moving on to the next zodiac on the list, we have Cancer. People born between the 22nd of June to the 22nd of July have Cancer as their sun sign. Cancer is represented by the crab, and it is a cardinal water sign. This is how the symbol of the zodiac Cancer looks like. With Moon as its ruling planet, Cancerians are loyal, highly imaginative, sensitive, emotional, receptive, and sympathetic. This is the zodiac constellation of Cancer. The next zodiac is Leo. People born between the 23rd of July to the 22nd of August have Leo as their sun sign. Leo is represented by the lion, and it is a fixed fire sign. This is the symbol of Leo. With Sun as its ruling planet, Leos are generous, cheerful, creative, optimistic, passionate, and enthusiastic. This is the zodiac constellation of Leo. Moving on to the next zodiac, we have Virgo. People born between the 23rd of August to 22nd of September have Virgo as their sun sign. Virgo is represented by the Virgin, and it is a mutable earth sign. This is the symbol of Virgo. With Mercury as its ruling planet, Virgos are practical, analytical, loyal, kind, hardworking, and they're also good organizers. This is how the zodiac constellation of Virgo looks like. The next zodiac we have is Libra. Libra is the sun sign of people who are born between the 23rd of September to the 23rd of October. This zodiac is represented by the balance, and this is a cardinal air sign. This is the symbol of Libra. With Venus as his ruling planet, Librans are charming, diplomatic, social, gracious, cooperative, and excellent negotiator. This is the zodiac constellation of Libra. Moving on to the next one on the list, we have Scorpio. People born between the 24th of October to the 21st of November have Scorpio as the sun sign. And as you might have already guessed from the picture, Scorpio is represented by the scorpion. This is a fixed water sign, and this is how its symbol looks like. With Pluto as his ruling planet, Scorpions are passionate, intense, stubborn, a true friend, brave, and deeply emotional. This is the zodiac constellation of Scorpio. Now let's move on to the next zodiac on the list. We have Sagittarius. People born between the 22nd of November to the 21st of December have Sagittarius as their sun sign. Sagittarius is represented by the archer, and it is a mutable fire sign. As you can see in this picture here, this is how the symbol of Sagittarius looks like. With Jupiter as his ruling planet, Sagittarians are optimistic, adventurous, spontaneous, generous, idealistic, and free-spirited. This is the zodiac constellation of Sagittarius. Moving on to the next zodiac, we have the Capricorn. People born between the 22nd of December to the 19th of January have Capricorn as their sun sign. This zodiac is represented by the sea goat, and it is a cardinal earth sign. This is the symbol of Capricorn. With Saturn as his ruling planet, Capricorns are reserved, patient, ambitious, disciplined, and responsible. This is how the zodiac constellation of Capricorn looks like. Now let's find out more about the next zodiac on the list. We have Aquarius. Aquarius is the sun sign of people who are born between the 20th of January to the 18th of February. Aquarius is represented by the water bearer, and it is a fixed air sign. This is the symbol of Aquarius. With Uranus as his ruling planet, Aquarians are independent, intellectual, social, progressive, humanitarian, and original. This is the zodiac constellation of Aquarius. And the last on the list for the day is Pisces. People born between the 19th of February to the 20th of March have Pisces as their zodiac sign. This zodiac is represented by the fish, and it is a mutable water sign. This is the symbol of Pisces. With Neptune as his ruling planet, Pisceans are artistic, intuitive, compassionate, imaginative, gentle, and wise. This is the zodiac constellation of Pisces. So as per your birth date, what is your zodiac sign? Yay! Now we know about the different zodiac signs. Thank you so much for joining me today. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links in the description box below. Bye bye for the day. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut